I'm already loving learning how to make my own jewelry, and in today's video, I'm gonna try something a little bit different than my ordinary beaded bracelets. Christina here from Christina Makes Things, and I have a video sponsored by this month's crafts, and inside this box, there is a kit to make some wrapped wire jewelry, which is something I've been wanting to do. I love trying new crafts, I love craft supplies, so this definitely fits the bill. I do have another box here down at the bottom, and this one has diamond painting supplies in it, so if you're into diamond painting, definitely check out my diamond painting channel. It's called Diamonds Are for Painting. I'll link it up in the corner. I'll also put it down below in the description box, and you can go watch if you're interested in learning about diamond painting. That's a good video to watch. So let's go ahead and open this up, get all our supplies out, and I am going to do some wire jewelry making. This month's crafts is a subscription box, which will send you every month a different craft for you to try, either a creative box or a DIY box, and you can try so many different projects that they have. The benefit is that they include everything, so you don't have to go searching for materials. So this is great for someone like me who likes to do a lot of different crafts and try them and see what I like. So I don't have to like go and get all the items. It's done for me. They also have really great quality tools too. So let's see what they gave us in this box. This time I'm going to be doing this wrapped jewelry, which I'm very excited about because I think it looks so good when it's done. Hopefully mine will turn out the same. So this is the instruction book that it comes with, and it's got detailed instructions on how to complete this project, which is one of the main draws to me for liking this box because I don't know how to do this. It's walking me through all my materials, my tools, what each one is, and then step by step, like literal step by step instructions on how to complete this. So the first project is this pendant here, and then we go on to this one, which is the second project. Again, step by step, detailed, close up, very important instructions. So I'm gonna try my hand on this. It probably won't be perfect, but I'm excited to try. Okay, so that's my booklet. Those are my instructions, super important. Inside the box, we've got all the different wire gauges. So this is where I'm completely oblivious to knowing what to use for these projects like this. Got them a little tangled up here in the box. So there's different wire gauges in here, different sizes of thickness of my wire, all in this copper. So I'll be using these to make my project. Then I have the most important part, the pendants. Look how cute. So we got two different pendants here, different stones, different shapes too, which I can appreciate. And this is green aventurine, and this is labradorite. Is that how you say that? I need to be better at all of my stones. And then our tools. So look at these. We get 3 different tools for wire jewelry making, which are super important. And my guidebook is going to tell me what these do. So let me go look in my guidebook. We have a flush cutter, one for chain nose wire pliers, and then a bail making plier. So I have all 3 of those different ones already included in the kit. And then I can use these for other projects after. All right, let's get started. The first steps of this project included measuring out the size of the wire against my pendant. So they just had me wrap it around a few times to get the measurement of what size wire I needed to cut. Once I determined that, I had to use the tools provided, and I just cut out 8 different pieces of wire for this project. The wire was pretty easy to work with. I've never used this before, so I did have to kind of straighten it out so that it worked with me a little bit better, but it was really pliable, especially this gauge of wire because it wasn't too thick. Next step was to put together 4 out of the 8 pieces of wire, find the center, and wrap the center around 10 different times, basically bonding all those 4 pieces together. I did the same with the other 4 pieces, and now I have 2 bonded sets of wire. Next, I took another tool and made a bend right in the middle where I coiled the wire. I did this with both sets. Once that was complete, it said to go ahead and start wrapping the wire around your pendant. This time I'm using the green pendant, which is the long rectangular piece, and I'm forming it around as the instructions said. I do believe the instructions might have used a larger pendant than the one that I have in this kit, so I just had to adapt and wrap it a little bit differently. I definitely think this is where the creativity comes into play because I did go off script and off the instructions and wrapped it a little bit more in a way that looked best to me. When I wrapped it around the pendant, I was able to take the extra wire all the way up to the top and create a little hole in order to hook it onto a necklace. Then with a little bit of adjusting here and there, flattening out and moving some pieces of wire, I have a complete wire wrapped pendant. Once again, if you are interested in trying out this month's craft box, there's a lot of different boxes they have too. Definitely look at the information down below in the description box to go check it out, and I appreciate them sponsoring this video, and also that diamond painting video too, if you want to go see that. And if you have any suggestions on what I should try next on Christina Makes Things, I am definitely open to suggestions. I'm thinking paper quilling or card making, or I don't know, anything. Your suggestions are greatly welcome. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.